to its features. But first, let's see what's in the box. Inside the box, we have the watch and a user manual. This watch has a beautiful 1.1 inches full-touch AMOLED color display. It features sharp visuals and enhances the watch's aesthetic beauty. The watch is also 5 ATM water resistant and has a swimming mode inbuilt. You can also use this watch during sweaty workout sessions. The charging process in this watch is hassle-free owing to the magnetic charging feature. It also has stress monitoring with guided breathing exercises to assist with bringing your stress level down. Additionally, the watch also offers women health monitoring features such as menstrual cycle tracking and notification. It is also equipped with a heart and blood pressure monitor. After being paired with a smartphone, this watch also acts as a remote for the phone's camera settings. The watch is also loaded with personal activity intelligence, which is a single matrix to manage your fitness-related activities. With 11 professional sports modes, the watch is a great fitness companion for sports lovers. Also, automatic activity detection acts as a boon for the runners. The ID116 smartwatch is an apt one for daily use and heavy loaded with features.